Did you make any home renovation to make your home more accessible to you? How you will use TaxTron Web to claim home accessibility tax credit. In deduction profile, the 6th tab others, the third last question, do your expenses qualify for home accessibility tax credit? Click yes. Do you have eligible federal home accessibility expenses? Check mark yes. To claim these expenses, you are qualified for disability tax credit or 65 years of age or older, or living with any of these person and make eligible qualified expenses for home accessibility. You will write down the date on sales slip or contract. You will write down the name of the contractor who provide the services. If they provide GST number, you will write down the GST number. You will provide the description of expenses you performed or work was done, and the amount paid including all applicable taxes you will write down here. So that's how you will claim home accessibility expenses in TaxTron Web.